I, Mallory,
I, Mallory,
take you, Damian, to be my husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward, to love and to cherish, to speak and to listen, to grow together in faith and understanding, to share always, in times of joy and sorrow, in sickness or in health, in want or in plenty, for better or for worse, as long as we blush on it.
I, Damian,
take you, Mallory,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
to love and to cherish, to speak and to listen, to grow together in faith and understanding, to share always, in times of joy and sorrow, in sickness or in health, in want or in plenty, for better or worse, as long as we both shall live.
Oh my God.
It was a frog! That's your very special watch for you. Would you like to put it on?
Folks, we are gathered here today because Damian and Mallory like each other. I mean, they really, really like each other. In fact, they like each other so much that today they're saying, this is it. This is the one. On good days, this is the one I'm going to celebrate. On bad days, this is the one who's going to dry my tears. When I asked Damian why he's marrying Mallory, he said, Mallory, in almost every way, is the perfect complement to my own strengths and weaknesses. She's grounded, goal-oriented, very organized. When I asked Mallory why she's marrying Damian, she made a list, numbered it 1 through 5. Damian, if you want to, you can kiss your bride.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm extremely delighted to introduce you for the very first time as a married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Clark.
Congratulations, you guys. We're so proud of you both and can't believe what a wonderful day this is. It's just your love. It's just amazing.
I I wish you all the best, and I'm so happy you included me in your wonderful, beautiful, splendid day.
Congratulations, we're proud to be here. We're so excited, ecstatic for your love of you two. You can see it in your eyes. Damian, we love you, bro. Congratulations, love forever. Marriage is forever.
May you just have a life full of love and happiness and joy.
Damian has a brother. He's guided me through life. He's taught me a lot of lessons.
I'm her older sister. However, I've always looked up to her. She is the most kind, compassionate, loyal, fantastic sister one could ask for. I'm so glad she met Damian.
When he met Mallory, he definitely met the girl for him.
The most important thing Damian taught me is that when you find someone you love a lot, you ask them to marry you, and you spend the rest of your life with them.
I just want to say I'm very happy for you guys, and I'm very thankful and lucky to have you guys as my friends for the rest of my life.
So, let's lift your glasses to Mallory and Damian.
I don't have a drink, I have a baby, so cheers from the baby and I.
Let's lift our glasses and count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Happy wedding day, Mallory and Damian. Mallory, you're the best sister I could wish for. You are an incredible land to Parker, and Damian, I'm so happy to have you in the family.
And we're so excited that you're finally in the family, Damian, and that we get to have you come and visit all the time now.
This lady's been crying, you know, just off and on all day long, just so emotional. We're so happy that it happened, and we're here and we're celebrating with you guys. And Mallory, just love having you in the family. And Damian, congratulations, bud. You found the perfect life mate.
Here's to you guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.